is talking about Zener diode with 5 volt Zener voltage. It is used to regulate unregulated DC voltage input of 25 volt. It is given 400 ohm resistor is connected in series. The Zener current is found to be 4 times load current. So question is asking the value of load current and the load resistance. This question is important. Why? Reason being there is no diagram. So first thing we need to make a diagram of this. So this is 25 volt supply. This is your 400 ohm resistance. Now this is your Zener diode. You know the design. And then we have this load resistance across which we want a regulated supply. So question is saying that if current in this load resistance is I, then current across this load resistance, this Zener diode is 4 times of that is 4I. And if it is 4I and this is I, then the total current should be 5I. Now it is mentioned in the question that 5 volt should be the voltage across load resistance in order to get regulated supply. So we can easily find out 5I into 400 should equal to 20 volt, because 25 volt minus 5 volt gives us 20 volt, and 20 volt is the voltage that is going to drop across this 400 ohm. So I will be, we can calculate from here, 20, 100, that is 10 milliampere. So from that only we can calculate our correct option. So this is our correct option. But if we want to solve it completely, then we can find out, let's say the voltage across this load resistance is 5. The value of load resistance is RL and the current through it is I. So RL will be 5 by I, that is 5 by 10 milliampere, that makes it 500 ohm. So the load resistance will be 500.